this is stuck. And I got my newest Kinderbox today. You want to see the exciting things that are in here? It is July's box, and this is a $25 a month subscription. Came this morning. The funny part about this box was I knew it was coming and it was raining here. So I ended up having to stay up to wait for the mail to come so that I could get the box so it wouldn't get soaked in the mail. That tells you my sleeping habits. I thought I would show you guys what is in the June box. I've already had a peek. You do get a card and it tells you the prices, which I really like. The first item you get is a hand repair cream. It's one of those where it's really, really thick. When you put it on, you can feel it long afterwards. So just, it's one of those where you'd be better off putting it on right before bed than, because I don't think you'd be able to grab anything. And I have dry skin on my hands too. Then next you get a face toner, which is the size of my hand. And next there is a bottle from All Natural, and this is a highlighter. So let's, oh, what the heck? It's glowing. Pretty. Messy. I just wiped it off. They need different packaging for this item. When you pull this big cap off, it mixes the powder that's down here that's loose. Then when you pull it up, the paddle is filled with loose powder. If you are going to use this, I would definitely put this in a different container, because otherwise you're just going to have highlighter all over your desk and clothes. Next, you get, in a really cute bag, it's called Be Kind, and I'm trying. You get a bar of soap. It smells really good. It comes in the flavor Dreamsicle, or that's the one I got, and it does smell really good. That's like one of my favorite. It reminds me of my childhood. But again, it's not a large product. If you're looking at this box, like, you're going to be getting stuff the size of BoxyCharm for $25 a month, you're going to be disappointed. Last, you got this sponge in the shape of a heart, and it is on a cotton string. And what you do is you put it under warm water cleanser on here, and it helps exfoliate your skin. So you're supposed to be able to use it on your face and to make sure that you hang it up when you are done. We got a red heart sponge, which is cute. It's very cute. And that's it. That is what is in the bag. If that appeals to you, that's great. And if you're getting it and love it, I am really happy for you. This is, on many levels, not what I thought it was going to be when I signed up for it. That's my own fault. Unfortunately, it is not for me. That's all I have today, and I will see you next time. Bye.